Next slide. This abstract of the project. In a country like India, air pollution is the major cause that we want to prevent.
Yeah, Aditya,
The IoT.
yeah, just a minute. We had seen all these things in our previous reviews, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in this review, if you're having a block diagram, show that, explain it, and you can proceed on to the project video if you are having, or you can show your results in screens, in PPTs,
Okay,
or
sir.
Okay, sir.
uh, because
Okay, sir.
all these things we had discussed in earlier reviews at all.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then you can proceed.
Okay, sir.
Since 100% of your project is over, you can directly
Yes, sir.
explain the block diagram, and you can show what is your progress from a previous review till date.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you can proceed.
Ranjan.
This is the general. This is the block diagram of the project. Actually, here the LM35 temperature sensor and MQ6 gas sensor and MQ9 gas sensor, these are all inputs. Here relay, here cooling fan and bulb, both are acts as outputs. Here LM35 it will detect the temperature and it will displays the data in the web page, and MQ6 gas sensors will detect LPG gas present in the atmosphere, and MQ9 sensor detects CO gas present in the atmosphere. Here, the fan speed is based on the current temperature. If the temperature rises, the fan speed automatically will increase. MQ9 here, based on the MQ6 and MQ9 contact, the bulb glow will be like this. If the if the gas detected is high, the bulbs will glow very brightly. Like that, we build the circuit. Here the sensors detects the input data from the atmosphere, and Arduino, it will convert from analog format to digital format. Here, what Arduino is doing is it will control the both fan speed and bulb brightness. It will control both of it. So here the relay circuitry for AC bulb is to limit the current coming from the input. Here with the help of this GSM 800L SIM, we will show the display. It will give the alert when the temperature goes above the level, or if the pressure goes above the level. Simply it will show the data like this. This is the block diagram of the project. Working will tell Prasad.
Sir, I go with working or go with progress of the project.
You can go for the
Hello,
progress
sir.
of the project.
Sir, progress of this project so far, we completed 100% of the project, and this is the hardware. We connected all the hardware parts, and this is the website we designed for this IoT air pollution monitoring project. Sir, can I show demo video?
Yeah, sure, you can proceed.
Yeah, okay, sir. Actually, I have screenshots. This is the Arduino code which is we developed. For the these are the just controlling the fan speed and bulb indications, and also there connection between the website and the Arduino. This is the code. Is run on Arduino software. This is the website PHP code, and here we designed the database by using the PHP MyAdmin portal. This is the overall connections on Arduino hardware part connections. This is the SQL code, that is database code for this project, sir. And this is the website looks like. This is the just PHP server we are using to develop the PHP code. This is the demo video we developed.
And the temperature will increase, then fan speed will increase, and then with the help of GSM, we can receive a message and we can see the value in the page. Here we can see that value is sent to it. Here we received message alert of temperature.
Sir, I think he is having network issues, sir. If it is possible, if it is not okay, I will share the video now, sir. I think he is having network issues.
No issues, it is playing. I'm able to view.
When the temperature crosses, when the carbon monoxide gas limit will cross, light also, and we will receive message and we can see values in the page to GSM.
This is the date and time. Yesterday we checked with this, sir. That 2021 10/3 and time. Here the readings of temperature MQ9, MQ6.
Sir,
Yeah,
this is the progress of our project, sir.
yeah, I have some queries. What is that MQ6 and MQ9 full form? MQ represents?
Sir,
Generally, it is a name. MQ6 means liquefied petroleum gas sensor, sir. That's one.
Okay, what does it detect?
It detects current gas, like LPG gas, methane gas, like that. It will detect. Generally, it will use in industries. Propane gas, like that. It will.
Okay, MQ9?
It CO combustible gas, sir. Generally, domestic purposes like domestic in industries also, this gas will use, sir. Inside our homes
detects carbon
also.
monoxide gas.
That's what I'm
Detects
asking.
carbon monoxide gas.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
specifically you should say that. You should not say it as
Yes.
generally, because you had done a parameter variation. So with some threshold levels, it is varying, right?
Yes, sir.
Then it
Yes,
should
sir.
observe.
Above 200, it varies, sir.
Yeah, let the threshold be. It depends upon some factor. For example, nitrogen or sulfurous oxide or carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide or oxygen or hydrochloric, whatever might be. So that MQ6 and MQ9, you check what does it measures correctly. Okay.
Yes. Okay,
MQ6 is used for measuring these type of gases. So if these type of gases are emitted in heavy, so this will give us alarm. So MQ9 will detect these type of gases or this type of pollutants. It could be solid waste or it could be your air pollutants, whatever might be. You specifically mentioned. MQ6 and MQ9 separately, because temperature is different. Temperature is being measured by a
Yes.
thermometer. We use a mercury and you will be getting values. Kindly check on that MQ6 and MQ9. And if your 100% project is over, next you need to prepare the project report. As just now I told you in our project group.
Is there any format to
Yeah,
make this?
I'll get you the format.
Okay, sir. Once we will receive the format, we will start working, sir, on that.
Yeah, yeah, okay. You can include all the screenshots that you have taken. You have showed me some screenshots, right? So those also
Definitely,
can
sir. We will
Yes,
include.
sir.
include in the report as results, and then you need to elaborate as a conclusion. Then you need to give references.
Sir, we will give code also, sir. Arduino code like that also. We will all these include in document.
Coding is not mandatory in report, but you can give it
Okay, sir.
everything in a soft copy.
Okay, sir. Definitely.
You will be producing a hard copy and a soft copy. So in soft
Okay, sir.
copy, put separate file or folder for this coding. Okay,
Okay, sir.
you need to develop from 100 to 120 pages of report.
Okay,
Introduction,
sir.
literature survey, existing system, existing methodology, proposed system or the proposed methodology, then what work you had done, what is the expected results, what the results you got, then conclusion, references.
Okay,
And
sir.
how about your paper publication status? Have you submitted to
Sir,
any conference?
we submitted that RMK ICINS through a mail, sir. If one
Any?
selects, they will be written back to us, sir. Actually, yesterday is the last date to submit this one, sir. I think before 15, they will send back again to us, sir, whether it is selected or not, like that.
Okay. If you get a
Okay,
positive response, do revert me, or
okay,
else
sir.
you can try for another conference also.
Okay, sir.
Everything is virtual, I think so. Nothing is in personal. Nothing is in
Okay,
physically. It's virtual conference.
okay, sir.
Okay. Any other queries from your side?
No, sir.
Ranjan,
Fine, sir.
Aditya,
No, sir. No, sir.
Uma, Vishweshwar.
No, sir.
Okay. Then you can start preparing your report, and by the stipulated time, you can complete and give it.
Okay,
All
sir.
the best. Carry on. And Ranjan, you're having some
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
training. No, you can continue. If there is
Yes, sir.
anything.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Can we leave,
Type your
sir?
batch number. Yeah, you can leave. Type your batch number in chat box.
Okay, sir.
Next batch is ready.
Yes, sir.
And then you can start presenting. You can type your batch number in chat box and you can proceed. The expected review here is the block diagram and the progress of the
Hello.
project.
Hello, Vishnu. Hello.
Okay, sign up.
Hello. They show the progress of our project.
Okay, sign up. Sign up,
Start
is
video
it
now.
visible? Sign up, is it visible?
Sure.
Okay.
Vishnu, go to first slide. Okay, introduce yourself and start.
Sign up.
They show the output. Hello.
No. First introduce about the project, Rasan. First introduce about project.
Okay. Okay.
Sign up, you can continue, sign up. Sign up.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Actually, our project name is Variable Anger Monitoring System using Internet of Things, sir. We already said. So our project works on IoT, sir. So we mainly use it the three components. One is ESP32, which is which is a 32-bit microcontroller which connects very fastly with the cloud. That means which connects with Android devices very fastly compared to other microcontrollers. So we use it here is ESP32, and the main in block diagram we used it pulse sensor and the thermistor and the accelerometer, sir. So the main purpose of using pulse sensor is that to know the pulse changes or heartbeat changes of each and every person, to know the heartbeat rate changes. So for each heartbeat rate, how the temperature, how the emotion is changing of each other. To notice that, we use it here pulse sensor, and thermistor we use it to note the temperature of the particular person. We use the thermistor. So how the body temperature is changing, at what temperature, what emotion the person is expressing. So to know that, we want to we use it the thermistor or temperature sensor here. So now how why we use it, the accelerometer will be explained by Prasad, sir. Prasad, explain why we use it accelerometer.
Accelerometer. An accelerometer is an electromagnetic electromechanical devices that means measure the acceleration force due to cause of the gravity. Accelerometer can be used to field sensing applications as well as dynamic acceleration resulting for motion, shock, or vibration. Model of ADXL 335. ADXL 335 have three axes: x-axis and y-axis and z-axis. The output of the symbol of this, the output signal of this model are analog voltage that are proportional to the acceleration. X out means x-axis analog output, y out equal to y-axis analog y output, z out equal to z-axis angular output, analog output. Here ground pin, ground connected to ground here. ADXL 335 accelerometer provides analog voltage to the output x and x, y, z axis, which is proportional to the acceleration directions of x, y, and z. Angles using ADXL 335. We have to calculate angle of inclination or title by using x and x, y, z values. Also, we have calculate roll, pitch, and angles with respect to z, x, y, z axis. So, first we need to convert 10-bit ADC values.
Prasad, if you are having a screenshots or a video, you can show it.
Yes.
How much percentage of a project is over, Prasad?
Sir, 100% is over.
Yes, sir. He will show the project. Vishnu will show the project, sir. How it
No,
will
no.
work, sir.
How much percentage of project is completed for your batch?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. After
Up to
explanation, Vishnu will show
90%.
the
90%
completion of our
completed.
project.
Up to 90% is completed.
Okay, 90% of project is over.
Okay, yes, sir.
Can you understand like that?
Yeah, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now he will show, sir, how the output. Yeah, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. 90% of project is completed. Okay. So I think then the hardware and software embedding is completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any video of that or any screenshots that you are having?
Yes, sir. Now Vishnu will show, sir.
Screenshot is available.
Yes, sir. This is our hardware part, sir.
Hardware part.
Yeah, this you can
Sir,
explain.
can it is visible, sir?
Yeah, it is visible. Just what you call is in what document? Zoom it and
Yes,
you
sir.
can explain it.
Vishnu, show the working the.
Okay, sir.
One by one you can proceed. Need not be in a hurry. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir. First screenshot, it is for the hardware part, sir. Mainly, it consists of ESP32 boards, WROM 32, and this is another chip. It is called accelerometer, sir, and this is pulse sensor, and it is thermis used for measuring the temperature, sir. Okay, sir. Here in this mainly in this hardware we have used mainly three sensors, sir. Thermistor, pulse sensor, and accelerometer, sir. And mainly ESP32 board. It is a 32-bit microcontroller, sir. Microcontroller. It has 12-bit ADC, 12-bit ADC, and these all outputs will be present in the analog voltage. Analog voltage by using the ADC converters present in the microcontroller, we convert the voltage into respective temperatures and heartbeats, DPMs. Okay, mainly this is the pulse sensor. And this is software, sir. It is blink app. It is a main interface between the hardware and software, sir. It is used for placing the widgets for user interface, and here we can see X, Y, and Z, and it is message widget, and it is notification widget. Here we can see temperature and BPM, beats per minute, sir. And it will show whether the what the values are showing from the hardware. It will be shown here as a blink app, and when the we have written a program for getting the notifications, and when the value when the conditions are satisfied, then it will be giving the notification whether the man is feeling angry and whether the man is feeling happy. It will give the final output, sir. Sir, hello.
Yeah. Is there any other image at the bottom?
No, sir. We have done up to here only.
What is left out? Still, what you want to do?
For
They're showing monitor change in values.
and we have up to done. We have completed, sir. Some minor things were remaining. Okay,
Yeah. What
I
is that?
can show.
What is that
Can I
minor?
show the programming, sir? Whether to decide values. And this is Arduino programming, sir. This code is dumped into the ESP32 chip by using the USB cable. Once it is required to dump the code, sir. Once it is dumped into it, and another time we can use any mobile charger mobile banker to give power supply to it, and we can get the hardware to run, sir. And this is the main block, sir. This is the conditions. The temperature greater than or equal to 40, BPM greater than or equal to 80, and this is the email we will get the notification, and this is the blink notify. We can also get by Twitter also, sir. Notification.
Yeah. Is this email ID that is given can be altered?
Yes, sir. We can alter, sir.
Sir, we can give your email ID also, but you can touch the device, sir. You would have to touch the device.
No problem, sir.
For example,
The okay,
uh,
sir. Tell me.
my question is that the device is with whom? Sainath or Vishnu? Hardware.
Vishnuvardhan, sir.
With me only, sir.
Okay. You are having the device with you. You are touching there.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
here mail ID is given for me. My mail ID is given.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When the
Will I get,
condition satisfied.
okay. Will I get the data? Will I get the data?
No, sir. Sir, actually, our project, how it works means if the what we can device you can if you have connected the device means then only it works, sir. So you have to wear the device. That means whatever the hardware part we made, you should wear that device as a wristwatch or something like that. So you have to touch the particular sensor or you have to touch the pulse sensor. Then only your values will be notified to you on the serial monitor. Then the mail will come to your. Then the notification will come to your mail. That such is you are feeling anger or you are feeling happy like that.
No, it is not mandatory that I should give only Vishnuvardhan's mail ID. No.
No, sir. It is
No,
not
sir. Your
mandatory. We can give another mail address.
For example, I can give
sir.
Narendra Modi's mail ID also.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Information about
But
Vishnu Vardhan is
Narendra Modi should respect it, sir.
No, I'm just
Yes, sir.
asking as an example.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
sir. We
Yes, sir.
can give any
Any
valid mail ID we can give, sir.
But
valid mail ID we can give.
yeah, but the whoever is
Uh,
having the hardware device only has
Yes,
to,
sir.
its information only will be going.
Touch. Sir, if you
yes,
give your
sir.
mail ID means you have to touch it, sir.
The
Okay, then
blink app will be,
yeah,
sir.
then whatever mail ID we give, only to that particular mail ID, the information will go.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Only the information is blink notify. We have written he felt angry, and these information only will be sent to a particular email ID or notify will be given in the blink app, sir. Which
Okay.
mobile we have downloaded?
For example, is it working on Yahoo Mail or Rediff Mail or other than
Um,
Gmail that is working?
no, sir. I didn't check.
Sir,
I will
any
give
valid mail
next time. This
ID, sir.
information I will give next time, sir.
No, no, you try it. You make a try.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, here in
I will
two
give next
social
time,
media it can
sir.
work, sir.
I will try.
In Twitter and email it can work, sir. So it will work in Facebook also, but we are trying for it, sir.
No, Facebook is linked to Gmail. My query is if an ID is
Yes,
given
sir.
other than Gmail.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Understood?
sir. Yes,
Like
sir. Yes, sir.
Yahoo Mail or Rediff Mail or somebody is having Hotmail. I'm not sure.
Yes,
So
sir.
create an dummy email ID in a Rediff Mail or Yahoo Mail or
Hmm.
whatever might be.
Yahoo Mail. Okay, sir.
Other than Gmail, you give it and check whether it is
Yes,
working.
sir.
Okay, sir. Next
Yes.
time we will give
And
the
if it is
information about
working,
this.
and if it is working,
Okay.
take that
Sir,
screenshot and
and
keep it.
Okay, sir.
he will show the serial monitor, sir.
Yeah, okay, okay. Proceed.
Yes, sir. This code will be done and Arduino programming used to, sir. First here tools. We should select the particular board, sir. Board manager. We have several boards. Arduino, Arduino. We are using ESP32 Arduino. We are using DOT DevKit board, sir, mainly. Here we can verify the coding and I have previously dumped the code into the hardware, sir. We can see the tools here, sir. Serial monitor, and this will be the value, sir. And this will be the value, sir. Now the I didn't touch any sensor, sir. Now you can see slowly. Is my screen is visible, sir? Temperature values.
Yes, yes.
Here we can see temperature 39.6 some for something, sir. The BPM is infinity. I didn't have touched the sensor, sir. 1 minute, I can change the values by touching the sensors.
Yeah, now you become angry, Vishnu. We'll see. Or else you give the what do you call, you give the project hardware components to Sainath. He'll become very angry very often. Then we can out really. Huh?
Okay, sir.
No,
Okay, sir.
it's just for an illustration or taking for a demonstration. I'm saying you.
We can changes the values that things are here. We can see, sir. Mainly on my programming Arduino programming. Here you can see, sir. What are the conditions for he felt angry? Temperature should be greater than 40 and BPM should be greater than or equal to 80, sir. He felt angry. Now we will see in the serial monitors.
Vishnu,
Temperature is almost
yeah,
yes,
yeah.
sir.
Okay. If this project is given to an female,
Sir,
project is done for a female, you need to add
sir, your voice is breaking, sir. I cannot hear.
yeah, yeah, in the comments you had put as he felt angry, he is angry.
Yes,
Sir,
sir. Now he will get the mail, sir.
Yeah, okay. For example, if you put she, whether it will appear if it is for female.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
what we will give in two apostrophes, this will be sent to the mail ID as it is, sir. If I have given he is in fear, he felt angry, sir. He he felt angry.
Uh, if you give she
This
felt
will be
angry,
She felt angry. Okay, sir. We can give whatever it may be, sir.
Okay. No, my query is, can we make an additional program? For example, if the project is given to a male, accordingly, can it select he? And if it is given to female, accordingly, can it select she? Like that, any provision is there?
No, sir. Actually, he felt is our extra option, sir. But actual message will go. What is that? Person is feeling angry like that.
Okay.
Okay, sir. We will
Then as a sign
Yes,
on,
try
sir.
out.
If he,
the person
Try
is,
out it also.
as
The person.
the person is angry, like that you can make
The
it.
person
yes,
is okay, sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Instead
Because
of the
because we
person,
are making a common project, it should not be specific to male or
male or
female.
female. Okay, sir.
It could be,
Understood.
yeah.
Okay, sir. I will see.
Okay. Any other queries?
Nothing.
Sir, he will show the mail, sir. Mail show.
Okay.
Sir, finally, we should make a video on it, sir, next time.
Yeah, make a video and keep it.
Okay, sir. Hold the
Yeah.
combining hardware and software, and we will receive mail notification up to it, sir.
Yeah. From A to Z of your demonstration.
Okay, sir.
That will be better for you. Sometimes if the network fails or
Okay, sir.
not working at some instances, you can show the recorded video. So this was my project.
Okay, sir. This is the mail I have received a morning 11 o'clock, sir. And he is happy. I have given his in the project I have given. Okay, sir. 1 minute I will show. Here I have given he is happy, sir. Blink email here is I have given he is happy, sir. And the same mail I have gotten he is happy, sir.
Okay.
As per the values, you can get, sir, how the change in values, BPM and temperature changes, the actual emotion will come, sir, like that mail.
How much cost?
Satisfying the given conditions,
How much cost?
sir.
Hello, sir.
How much
How
is your?
much? Huh?
How much is the cost of your
Sir?
project?
Just it is 3,000, sir.
Two, some three.
Okay.
3,000, sir, max.
Okay. So try to complete the remaining 10% of your project very soon and make the report ready.
Report, okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. And
Okay,
try
Okay, sir.
to submit all your project for any conference or any journal.
okay, sir. We will try about it.
Okay, sir.
Have you applied to anything?
No, sir. Up to now we have done. We have
Okay.
doesn't.
Complete, complete it soon and apply.
Hello.
Okay, sir. We will try.
Okay, sir.
We will complete it, sir.
Okay. Any other queries from your side?
No, sir. Sir,
That's
at
only.
last, a video making and
No,
another
sir.
thing. What we have done in the last review, sir.
No, a demonstration video means right when you start your kit to operate.
Yes, sir.
From there till end, what is your expected output and how it is showing?
Okay, sir.
Till that.
Okay, sir.
You can try in 2 or 3 videos also. It doesn't mean that you should put everything in a single video.
Okay, sir. Hardware and software
Okay, sir.
output. Okay.
Combinedly, you can make a video and merge it afterwards if it is required.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Or in part by part also can have it.
Okay, sir.
Sure, sir.
What Vimala Prasad, any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, carry on. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Anush, Pujishri,
Sir,
how much percentage of project is completed?
up to 70% we are completed, sir.
70. Still, how many days you require for remaining 30%?
Week, sir.
1 week chalara?
Guess, sir. 1 week
Okay,
అయిపోతుంది
then
సార్.
complete. Okay, completely fast.
Yes,
So
sir.
now in this review, you show what you are done after your last month's review till date. And if you are having any video or if you are having any screenshots, you can show and explain. Uh,
Okay, sir.
your batch can proceed. Who is going to present?
Vamsi, sir.
Hmm.
పూజ దాంట్లో కప్పట్లే పూజ.
Okay, sir. I will present.
Okay,
Is it visible, sir? Hello.
yes, Pooja Shri, you can proceed.
Yes, sir. Today our project is IoT Home Automation using microcontroller. This is the main block diagram of the our project. So it contains transformer and then rectifier, regulator, and then Wi-Fi modem, 8051 series microcontroller, relay driver, relays, and then output is lamps and fan. In this project, we are doing by connecting all these components. IoT or Internet of Things is an upcoming technology that allows us to control hardware devices through the internet. Here we propose to use IoT in order to control home appliances, thus automating modern homes to internet. This system uses three loads to demonstrate as house lighting and a fan. Our user-friendly interface allows a user to easily control these home appliances through the internet. In this project, we are using microcontroller. It is interfaced with a Wi-Fi modem. to get user commands over the internet. Also, we had an LCD display to display the system status. Relays are used to switch the loads. The entire system is powered by a 12 volts transformer. After receiving a user commands over the display, the system status it will display on the LCD. Thus, the system is effectively used on the home automation using internet. These are the components transformer. This is the main power source of the supply. The maximum output of power supply is depend on the power transformer. So in this project we are using 12 volts transformer and 500 milliamps. It means we can drive the load from this transformer up to 6 volts. In our project, our maximum power requirement is 1 volt. To provide this power, we use 12 volts 250 milliamps transformer. This is the regulator. DC device which provides the constant output voltage with varying input voltage. These are of two types: a fixed voltage regulator and adjustable regulator. We have used fixed voltage regulator LM78XX. The last two digit indicates the output voltage. Next we are using Wi-Fi model. In this project we are using ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. It is a self-contained SoC with integrated TCP protocol. It is accessible to any Wi-Fi network, and it is capable of either hosting an application or uploading all Wi-Fi networking functions from another processor.
Yeah, Pujashri, hardware components is water. Have you brought hardware components?
Yes, sir.
Is that available as slide or video?
It is available as
Okay.
screenshot, sir.
Yeah, you can explain this thing. You can explain from here.
This is relays and this Wi-Fi module and it's LCD. It's 80 microcontroller and it's the transformer. We have all connected in this chip. So we have to connect the loads and fan loads like fan and lights still remaining, sir.